In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. So when we say slope-intercept form, we're talking about y equals mx plus b. This is the most standard form of a line that we're going to be using. So m stands for slope, which I actually do have from the equation that's given. So I'm going to go ahead and label that my m is a half. I don't know b, but I was also given a point, which means I have an x and a y. So this is helpful because now I can substitute everything that I know into this equation and I will be able to solve for b. So this would be 3 equals 1/2 times -6 plus b. Then I would multiply the half and -6, and that's going to give me -3. And then to get b by itself, I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So this gives me that b is 6. Okay, so now when I write out the equation of my line, I'm only going to fill in for m and b because this is my generic form of the line that passes through these points with this slope. So that would look like y equals 1/2 x plus 6. Okay, so the second way that I'm going to show you how to write the equation of a line is if you're given 2 points. So I don't really have anything to work with here other than some x's and some y's, so I'm going to use those first to find my slope. So the equation of slope is y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So it's helpful here to kind of guide your work if you label your points as x1, y1, and x2, y2. Okay, so now I'm just going to substitute. So it would be -2 minus 2 over 3 minus 5. That's going to give me -4 over -2, which equals +2. So I found my slope. So now I'm going to do a lot like what I did on the last example, but now I have 2 different xy's to choose from, so you can just pick one, it doesn't matter. I tend to like going with one that doesn't have any negative numbers, so I'm going to use x equal to 5 and y equal to 2. So I'm going to go ahead, write out my y equals mx plus b, and substitute again. So this would be 2 equals, oops, I never wrote this over here, 2 times 5 plus b. Again, now I'm just going to do that multiplication. This would be 10 plus b, and now I ran out of space, but I would be subtracting 10 on both sides. So I get that -8 is b, so my final answer I'm going to do up here in the top left corner is y equals 2x minus 8. And that's it.